excited for Alyssa to be here. She is an awesome wholesaler, and I swear I see her every Friday checking in at the title company, or sometimes on Mondays she's checking in at the title company, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, all over St. Louis. Y'all are gonna love everything that she's got to teach you and tell you about, and she's really focused on how to talk to sellers right now and get deals. We all know we're in a crazy hot market, like nothing I've ever seen in 10 years of real estate investing. I mean, it's insane out there. And this woman has a system and a process and a knack for talking to sellers right now and finding the right sellers that need a wholesale offer right now, and they're willing to accept it. And I'm sure she's going to show you pictures and give you some of the details of who these sellers are, what kind of conditions she finds the property in, and what kind of conditions she finds the people in. Because I mean, real estate investing, we're in real estate, we're in a people business, and Alyssa is magical at finding the right people to take the right offers right now. This is going to be so awesome. I'm so excited. Woohoo! Alyssa, take it away.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me on here. I'm really excited to be here. I love everything you're doing. It's amazing. And I'll go ahead and just dive right in. So I will share my screen, and kind of, what we're going to be talking about today is wholesaling in today's market. Like Whitney said, it's a hot market across the United States. Things are selling over asking price, on the market on a regular basis. Things are going for multiple offers.
Uh-oh. You don't have a ticket to She Buys It Live, so you can't see the rest of that video until you get a ticket. We're going to be together October 28th through the 30th online, sharing all sorts of goodies so that you can get started as a real estate investor, but also so you can upgrade, up-level, update your real estate portfolio. So go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get a ticket to She Buys It Live. Don't forget to upgrade your ticket at checkout to include all of the recordings. See you at She Buys It Live. Remember, we're virtual on Zoom.